Tooth problems, can't chew cruciferous vegetables, make raw salads difficult as well. Suggestions, is there a way to make raw veggies softer? Yes, that's what the smoothie solution is. Yes, exactly. The smoothie solution was created so that people would be able to get all of their nutrition in without having to sit and eat salads every day, either because people don't like salads, which is often the case, or because they can't chew them, right? Both. Either people don't want to chew them or they can't. I mean, I got my smoothie here. So all you do is you put your greens and your omega-3s and a little bit of fruit and water in the blender, and you blend it up and drink it. No chewing necessary. If you want some free recipes, here, I'll put a link in. Go to smoothieshred.com. My husband created that website about, gosh, how long has it been now? Maybe 5 years ago, as a service, public service, to help people get their health back and understand how to do this. And so we have free recipes there, free videos that are all there, and access to a free Facebook community for people who want to start adding the good stuff to their health. So you don't have to be on our nutrition plan to do that. It's actually just for people who are trying to add nourishment to their lives. You don't even have to be plant-based. It's just about add what you're missing, and there's free recipes there. So that is the best way to get all this stuff in and not have to chew, but also you can be busy, right? Like if I was sitting here right now doing a Q&A and I was eating broccoli dipped in guacamole, that would be very distracting, right? Like when I probably have broccoli in my teeth, I'd be chewing, right? But I can teach and I can drink my smoothie, no problem. In fact, this is what I do all day long is I have my smoothie by my side and I have my water by my side, and I can work and nourish myself effortlessly. So that's what I recommend you do. I mean, the only thing I have to take a break for is gonna be the bathroom, but I don't have to sit down and just try to chew everything down. I can just work and get it all in. So that is the best thing to do.